Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to show you how I closed a $4,000 deal live after handling the prospect's objection of them not making impulsive decisions. So there's going to be a lot of things you guys can learn from the way that I handle the objection. So go ahead, take some notes and enjoy. So in terms of the next steps, it's a $4,000 investment to get access to the full entire system that we've talked about today. How would you like to proceed?
4,000. That's a lot of money, but yeah, man, I think I don't really make impulsive decisions like this. So if you could just allow me a day or two, and I can get back to you guys.
Okay. Yeah, I totally respect that, man. Now, putting, that aside for a moment, how do you feel about everything that we went through today in terms of the process? Like, do you feel like even this can help you in terms of getting to 5K a month and retiring your parents and finally achieving your life to be able to travel? Do you even believe that we can actually help you get there?
Yeah. The program is 100% promising.
Okay.
It looks like it has the potential. It's just I don't really make decisions on the spot.
Okay. I totally respect that. Okay, so you believe like the program is exactly what you're looking for. It's just like you believe that you don't make impulse decisions.
Yeah.
Okay, I totally respect that. In fact, most successful people that I know are careful decision makers, which is a good thing. Okay, but at the same time, I think there's a difference between making an impulse decision and making a decisive one. Can I share a perspective on that, by the way?
Sure.
Okay, so an impulse decision is made like without enough information, but today, Ahmed, we went through everything. We spent the last 30 minutes, 45 minutes on average, getting all the information that you need, answering all your questions and seeing exactly how this will get you to your 5K a month goal. The real risk isn't deciding today. It's waiting because nothing changes while you wait. So, as you mentioned, Ahmed, if you believe that this is what you're looking for and this can help you get to 5K a month, etc., etc., if we can make this financially doable, what would stop you right now from making a decisive decision instead of putting it off?
You prove a good point, man. I think I'm just afraid to spend all the money today. I haven't not really done this before.
Okay, got it. Okay, so just to fully understand then, it's mainly the hesitation of like pulling the trigger on an investment like this? Or is it that you completely can't afford this?
No, I've got the money. It's just like I said, I haven't really invested this much for a program before,
Okay, got it. Can I share a perspective on that?
Yeah.
Okay, look, the real challenge isn't just what's in your bank today. It's making the decision based on where you want to be, not where you're at right now. Because if you only act based on like where you're at right now, you'll just keep getting right now results. Like, Ahmed, would you say that your mindset plays a big role in how you make decisions right now?
Of course.
Okay. And on a scale of 1 to 10, how satisfied are you with your current results, income, and overall performance?
Probably like a 7.
Okay, a 7. Okay. And in your mind, what does a 10 look like? Income-wise, lifestyle, your day-to-day?
Yeah, man. 10 is like making probably double what I'm doing right now. 5K a month. Have some more time to travel. I like traveling, but I don't have the freedom to do that. And just being a better version of myself, I guess,
Okay, got it. So right now then, you're at a 7 and you want to be at a 10. Okay,
Yeah.
That means we're here and you want to go there. The thing is, the mindset and the skill set that got you to a 7 is the same one keeping you there. So,
wow.
My question is like, how much longer are you willing to let the same thinking keep you stuck at a 7? Because the truth is, nothing changes until you do. If you keep running the same patterns over and over again, what do you think life would look like 6 months, 12 months from now?
Yeah, you have a point, man. I think I have to change my mindset on how I make decisions and actually pursue the things that I want. You're right.
Okay. So, what's the bigger risk, Akhi? Is it holding on to the mindset that's kept you at a 7? or learning the exact skills, systems, mindset shift that allow our students like Omar, Fahim, Ilyas, and all these different students to hit 5, 10, even 15K months within 90 days.
Yeah, I think I need to change my mindset, man. I
Look,
need to make a change.
Akhi, like, you know, no one's gonna force you to step into the best version of yourself. Nobody. So if not now, then when? 2 weeks? 2 months? 2 years? Because the longer you wait, the harder the climb will get for you. That's a reality, akhi. So what's the move you need to make right now to put yourself in the best position to shift your mindset and actually start winning?
Yeah, man, I think I want to do this.
Okay. All right. Ahmed, what I'll do right now, I'll send you the payment link, inshallah. We'll take care of that and we'll start your onboarding from there. Sound good?
Okay, let's do it.